like we've had our moments. I think when you talk about discipline, people think about, the dirty play and things like that. We haven't had too much of that this year. The discipline for us is our ability to work hard, especially in defence, to get back on side. And, that's a self-discipline. That comes from the players' preparedness to work and just push back that extra metre. And we've talked about that every week. We look at that, and it's been disappointing in some cases where players have had the opportunity just to take one more step back to be on side and haven't done it. And when we look at it, a lot of it just comes down to the conditioning of our players and their ability to work through that. And we keep focus on it. We will continue to keep focus on it, because giving away avoidable penalties is costly. And we just have to be better in that regard. Some penalties you can't avoid giving, but offside penalties, which is a self-discipline, that needs to improve, and our players are aware of it, and they've been put on notice.